What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have a new truck for the channel. You can see here it's a 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 heavy duty. It's just a two-wheel drive. Plan on making it a work truck. I got a really good deal on it. I only paid $2,000 for it. You can see I already took the bed off. That's the worst part of the truck. It was pretty rough, the bed and the tailgate, so I decided to just rip it off. And I bought the truck because the frame is really good. It has 184,000 miles on it, but these 6.0s and the transmissions with them are known to be really well lasting, really long lasting, reliable engines and transmissions. So yeah, I bought it because the frame was in pretty good condition. It had a lot of surface rust, but just flaky stuff. You can see I started grinding it down to bare metal. I figured I might as well do that while I have the bed off. See, the bed was pretty rough. A couple holes in it, pretty rough. I already got a newer bed for it. I have it lined up. This guy on Facebook Marketplace. It's actually a 2014 Silverado bed, just like my truck up there, and it's white, and the body lines match up pretty well, so it's gonna look pretty good, and it'll have a brand new rust-free bed. The bed's from North Carolina, straight off a dealership, so it doesn't have any dents, and I'm getting it for like 700 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. Show you around this truck a little bit. It's gonna need new tires at some point. It has all new brake lines except for these ones right here. They were bad, so I did those yesterday. It was only like 20 bucks. Has a brand new hitch, 10,000 pound hitch, and it has a brand new bumper on it. You can see here, you can look at the frame. There's a lot of bare metal showing already. Frame's really good condition, that's why I'm happy. And I'm happy that I'm sanding it down, and it'll be in a really good condition for a long time. The cab does need some work. It's gonna need rockers and cab corners and a floor pan. Fenders, they're not too bad right now, but I'm gonna need to replace them eventually. But it's only 250 bucks for both fenders, so that's not bad. And, bumper, I can live with it for now, but I'm gonna replace it eventually. And this truck will be really nice. Should be a really good work truck. The inside's really dirty right now. I just got some mats for it, and I replaced this guy. This was like 30 bucks. I have a seat cover coming for that. It's just a bottom seat cover, but just like I said, it needs cleaned up. Maybe throw a dash cover on here. This dash isn't cracked, it's not too bad. I need to mess with the wiring for the dash, the actual dash though, because it like flickers a little bit or something. And maybe someone can tell me what this is. I'm not 100% sure. I know I could look it up, but I just don't know what that is, so maybe you could tell me. But yeah, overall, cab's in pretty good shape. I need to do a little bit over there, back air, and like I said, rockers, cab corners. But after that, it does have a small, actually not small, pretty good manifold leak, exhaust manifold leak. But I have these bolts coming today. It's like a band-aid fix, so we'll see how well that works. But here she is, guys. I've always wanted one of these Cateye Chevys, and here it is. This truck should be really good because it only weighs 5,000 pounds, and its GVW is 9,200, so I can haul a lot in this truck. Can't wait to get the new bed on. It's gonna look really good. But today I'm just gonna be sanding down some more of this frame, and you guys can join me for the journey. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and we'll get to work. Hope you guys enjoy. Yesterday I was hitting this with a grinder and a metal grinding wheel, so I'm just gonna use this wire wheel to see how well it works and cleans up what I already did. So we're gonna try that next. All right, you can see that wire wheel got a lot more rust off. This frame cleaned up really nice. Now, I'm not gonna go crazy and get every single speck of rust off. I just wanna make it really nice and long lasting. So I still got some more work to do. My battery just died on my DeWalt. I only have one battery. So I'm gonna get the power grinder out with the metal wheel, and we're gonna start hitting the inside. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got most of the rust off the frame and all the easy to reach areas. There's still some little bit of flaky stuff here and there. Like I said, I'm not going to go crazy and tear everything apart and do every little bit of the truck. It's just going to be a work truck, but I need it to be solid. So I've beaten on this frame every inch of it with a hammer, and it's really solid. So I got couple primers here. I'm just gonna touch up the metal, the bare metal spots, and then I'm gonna hit it. I have some rubberized undercoating, Rust-Oleum undercoating, that I'm just gonna pretty much hit everything with. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, guys, here it is after 3 coats of that spray. I still have a little jug of stuff you can brush on, so I'm gonna hit up some spots with that, some of the areas where I couldn't really reach, but she's coming along. Now this will make sure that the truck, I gotta do a little bit of metal work right here and some stuff back here. I don't know what happened, but that's all later. It's inspected for another 8 months, so I have time to do all that stuff. I really wanted to get this bed done, get this frame painted back here, You can see it's looking pretty good. Got a nice thick coat on all the way around underneath. Hit up my differential. Just hopefully this just makes the truck last a lot longer. So I'm gonna get that brush out and the thicker stuff, and I'll start touching up some spots. All right, so I got this truck bed coating. You just paint it on, and I'm gonna hit that and hit up the spots where I couldn't hit with the spray. And that's what we're gonna do now. All right, guys, here she is. I got pretty much everything covered. I got the back part here at least covered really well. The front of the frame still needs some work. I slapped a bunch of stuff on there just for now, but I got all this back here really good. I think I got a really nice coat over everything. Should be ready to put the new bed on, and I can't wait. It's gonna look really good. Now, like I said, guys, the bed I'm putting on this is a 2014, so I don't know how many people have put a 2014 on a Cateye, but I think it's gonna look really good. So there's the truck, guys. It's a work in progress. Gonna be the channel project vehicle. She's gonna be really nice. I've always wanted a Cateye. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you really like this Cateye build. I know I'm gonna enjoy it. So if you want to see more, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll take you along the way. Alright guys, hope you have a great day. Peace.